Hi student, welcome to class 9. Okay, so in this class means in class 9 we shall learn about the social science. Up to class 8 we have studied the social study, but in this class we shall learn about the social science. Okay, so let me clear what is the differentiate between the social science and the social study. Okay, so the social study means the study of the society. The study of the society is called the social study. But the social science is that what? The study of the society with the investigation and with the practical knowledge is called the social science. Okay. So the social science divided into four branches, which are the political science, economics, history, and geography. Okay. So in the economics chapter 1 in class 9 we shall learn about the factor of production or the organization of production. Okay. So by simply a story, the village of Palampu. So a village story. Okay. Through that story we shall learn. We shall discuss about the organization of production or the factors of production. Okay. So the word production means to create something by the process of making something. Okay, like the goods, services, materials, foods, or any other thing. So to produce, to create, to make for the manufacturing, what we need? Actually we need the basically the difference factor of production. Okay, so the what are the difference factor of production? Land, labor, capital, and the entrepreneur or the organization or organizer. Okay, so firstly the main factor of production is the land. Okay, land, as you know that the land is the fixed capital and land is the natural resource. Okay, as you know that the land can't grow automatically. No, जमीन अपने आप बढ़ता नहीं है. We know that. Okay, so the land is the fixed capital which is fixed. Okay, that is the first factor which we needs for the production. Okay, and that is the first resource which we need for the production. Okay, that is the natural resource, that is the land. Okay, and then after the second factor of production. Okay, to produce something we need the difference factor. The second factor of production is the labor. Okay, so as you know that's the labor, that is generally there are two type of labor. One is the skill labor and another one is the unskilled labor. No, the unskilled labor we know that's the field labor, agricultural labor. Okay, the farm labor, that is the unskilled labor. But the skill level means those who have the some ability to create something. Okay, they were trained. Okay, so they are the skill level like teachers, doctor, engineers. All these are they are the skill level. Okay, so then another factor we need for the production is that is the capital. Okay, capital means we know that the capital means what? It may be the amount of money, or it may be the property, it may be the resource, it may be the wealth. Okay, so generally there are two type of capital. So in this class or in this chapter we shall discuss about the two type of capital. That's these are the what are the fixed capital and the working capital. Fixed capital and the working capital. Okay, so fixed capital, you know that's what is the example of fixed capital are land is the example of fixed capital. Then machines, building, infrastructure. Okay, these are the example of fixed capital. Okay, then what is the working capital? Then the working capital means the money in pocket. Okay, money in pocket, money in purse. Okay, and that is the working capital. Okay, means the which immediately we can use. No, and also the example of working capital is in the farming, the fertilizers, the pesticides. Okay, and these are also the example of working capital. Okay, so apart from all this, the fourth factor of production is the organizer. No, the person who organize all these three factor, the enterpriser, the manufacturer. Okay, the person who organize all these factor. No, fixed capital, working capital, lands, labor. So the person who organize all these things, these are the organizer or producer or manufacturer. Okay. Okay. So take an example of a field of production. Okay, so take an example of agriculture. Okay, so in the agriculture production, in the agriculture production also we need the different type of factor. Okay, because without factor of production we can't produce anything, or we can't manufacture anything. Okay, so here the agriculture, in case of agriculture also we need the difference factor of production. Okay, the first factor of production in the agriculture also, what we need, we need land. Okay, first we need land. Okay, so after that for the agriculture we need the capital also. Yeah, definitely we need the capital. Okay, so here working capital, what we need the fertilizers. Okay, pesticides. Okay, then weedicide. Okay, so then after, for the plugging our lands or plugging our fields, okay, we need what, the tractor. Okay, then after we need for the irrigation system we need the irrigation facility. Okay, we need the different type of we need also labor for the production. Okay, so in the agricultural production also we need the labor. Okay, or human capital. No, as you know, that's the labor means, or labor is the example of human capital. Okay, human capital means what, the capital which have ability to develop something. Okay, or create something, that is the human resource. Okay, so here also we need the labor for the our agricultural production. Okay, and then after also we need the farmer. No, the person who organize all these factor. Okay, so here about this factor of about the in field of agriculture also, regarding agriculture we shall discuss in the first chapter of class 9 economics. Okay, different factor of production, about that we shall discuss through the agricultural production. Okay, through the village story, the story of village Palampur. Okay, Palampur is located in Uttar Pradesh. Raiganj is the small town. Okay, or the big village which is 3 kilometers away from the Palampur, and the Sahapur is the nearby small town up to the Palampur. Okay, so Palampur is the purely well developed village. Okay, so in the Palampur the wells, dairy production are also there, small scale manufacturing are also there, and well connected electricity are there in the village Palampur. Okay, and also the village Palampur connected with the better transportation facility. Okay, good roadway. Okay, so here the villagers are engaged in, mainly the village people of the village Palampur, they engage in farm activity or the agriculture. Okay, the some of the people also engage in the dairy or small scale manufacturing, shopkeeper. And okay, the Palampur village is the well settled village or well developed village. That's why we have taken the example of the Palampur. No, in this to understand the factor of production. Okay, so in the village Palampur there are 450 families are there. 450 families are there. Okay, out of them 80 family are the upper caste and other are the lower caste or Dalit caste. Okay, so mainly in the village Palampur the 3 type of farmer are there: small farmer, the landless farmer, and the landlord farmer. No, large farmer, small farmer, okay, and the landless farmer are there in the village Palampur. Okay, so large farmer means the farmer, they having the more than 5 acres or the 2.2 more than 2 hectares of area land for the cultivating. The small farmer less than 2 hectare. Okay, or 2 or 3 acres for their farming they having. Okay, then landless farmer means they have no land but they are farmer, they take in fair the land and they cultivate on that land. Okay, they take the land in rent. Okay, and they cultivate. The landless farmer, landless, that means they have no land to cultivate. Okay, so here the large farmer, small farmer, and the landless farmer are living in the village of Palampur. Okay, so as you know that for the production, okay, it may be the agriculture or anything else. Okay, in the manufacturing, we need the capital. Okay, working capital as well as the fixed capital also. So fixed capital, land, machine, building, all these things. So to buy that also we need the working capital, or mostly we need the money. Okay, to invest. For the investment we need money. Okay, so Palampur is a village. Okay, so here landlords are there also. Okay, then maybe the government also have established the different bank to take loan for the farmer can take loan from the banks and invest. No, for example, cooperative bank. Okay, and like the NABARD cooperative. We need the money which is the working capital. Okay, so also we need the different type of physical capital for the also farming. So in the factor of production in the capital, the physical capital also we need for the farming. Okay, nowadays we are following the modern farming method. No, we are following the modern farming method. No, so nowadays we have tractor to plugging the field, harvester for the harvesting the crops. Okay, for threshing or all these things. Okay, so also nowadays we are using HYV, no, high yield variety seeds. Okay, hybrid seeds we are using nowadays. The different type of the seeds, hybrid seed we are using for the cultivation. Okay, that is the whole example of the modern farming tools. Okay, then others modern farming tool example, we have the better electricity facility nowadays. So by the tube well, by the pumping, okay, by the sprinkler irrigation system, or by the drip irrigation system, we have now better facility for that. Okay, and then after nowadays difference the variety of fertilizers are there available in the market. We are using the different type of fertilizer. Okay, which in our rural area we say the khatu or sar. Okay, all these things we are using that. Okay, and also the variety of pesticides. Okay, we are using to grow to increase our productivity and the production. Okay, and also we are using the different type of weedicide. Okay, insecticide, parasite, pesticides. Okay, or different type of chemical we are using, or different type of modern farming we are using to improve our irrigation, improve our agricultural production. Okay, so all these thing are that's are the factor of production we need. Okay, in the agriculture, in the modern farming tools we are using the different modern way. Okay, modern machinery. Okay, so to buy this, to get that physical capital also we need the working capital, or we need the money. Okay, so that means we need money for the investment. Okay, so generally in the villages the people do what, they go to their money lender or gotia, no, gotia, and to the money lender, and they ask for the loan. Okay, so the gotia or money lender provides some loan. Okay, on behalf of that the गोटिया से व्हाट नहीं, आपको मेरे जमीन में इतना दिन काम करना पड़ेगा, 1 साल या 2 साल, उसके बदले मैं आपको दूंगा व्हाट, I will provide you loan. Okay, so by that's also that's the common in villages. Okay, because the we know that's the less, due to the less education facility, or okay, that's mostly the most important one is the collateral. Okay, what we need to get the loan from the bank, जो कि गांव में ज्यादा नहीं होता कोलेटरल. Okay, due to that also documentation, the people unable to take a loan from the bank like cooperative society, NABARD. Okay, NABARD means what, the National Agricultural Bank of Rural Development. Okay, so that's in the villages the people take loan from the money lender. Then after on behalf of that they go to the money lender field or the large farmer field, and they work on their field and they repay their loan by that. Okay, okay, the before the green revolution in the India, there was the traditional farming method. Okay, but after the green revolution and during the green revolution the modern farming method that's took place. Okay, so By using the modern farming method, the green revolution took place. Okay, the green revolution means what? The much more production in the field of food grain. Okay, the much more production of food grain, that is the known as the green revolution. Okay, which is took place in the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so after the green revolution, the India was called as the self-sufficient food grains country. Okay, before the green revolution, we import the food grain from the others country, but after the green revolution, we export the food grain to the others country. Okay, so that helps, green revolution helps to what, improve our much more productivity. Okay, so by using the modern farming method, we can produce more and more and more production in the same land. Okay, as you know that the land is the fixed capital. Okay, that means what, the land is sustained, the land cannot increase. जमी अपने आप नहीं बढ़ता है, we know that's okay. So on the same piece of land, on the same land, in the that's fixed land, we need to increase our productivity. Okay, for that we need the modern farming method. Okay, so once again I am repeating what are the modern farming method. No, that modern farming tools, hybrid seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, weedicides, insecticide. Okay, then better irrigation facility, better transportation facility, machines. Okay, these are okay. So the factor of production. So how many factor of production are there? Generally there are 4 main factor of production. These are land, labor, capital, and the organizer. Okay, so the capital means the fixed capital and the working capital. Okay, the fixed capital, we know that's land, machines. Okay, these are the fixed capital, that's work for the long run. And the working capital means money in the pocket is called the working capital, or money in hand or money in pocket is called the working capital. Also this for the farmer, the fertilizers, pesticides, we may say that are also the working capital. Okay, so basically what are the organization of production? Land, labor, capital, and organizer. Okay,